Hey, Daniel, how are you, man? You look different today. There is like something new about you. Is there good news? Hey, Lucas. Yes, there is. There is a big change in my life. I got a new job yesterday, and there is a lot of excitement in my head right now. Really? That's amazing. Where's this new job? Is there a big company behind it? Yes, there is. There is one of the best companies in the world behind it. There are thousands of employees there, and there is a very modern office in the city center. Wow! Is there a big building? What is there inside? There is a huge glass building with many floors. There are security guards at the entrance, and there is a reception area with comfortable sofas. There are plants everywhere, and there is soft music playing in the background. That sounds incredible. Are there many departments inside the company? Yes, there are many departments. There is a marketing department, there are finance offices, and there is a technology area. There are meeting rooms on every floor, and there is a large conference hall on the top level. I see. Interesting. Is there a cafeteria for employees? Yes, there is a nice one. There are healthy food options, and there are also desserts. There is free coffee all day, and there are comfortable chairs to relax. That's great. Are there any special benefits in that company? Oh, yes. There are many benefits. There is private health insurance. There are flexible schedules. And there is paid vacation time. There are also training programs. And there is a gym inside the building. There is a gym inside? Are there personal trainers too? Yes, there are trainers available during the day. There are modern machines, and there is a yoga room. There aren't any excuses to skip exercise there. What about the offices? Are there private rooms, or is there an open space? There is a mix of both. There are private offices for managers, and there is a large open workspace for teams. There are computers on every desk, and there are big screens for presentations. It's amazing. Yes, it's great. Are there many people in your team? There are about 10 people in my team. There is a team leader, and there are specialists in different areas. There isn't any negative energy. There is a very positive atmosphere. Is there a dress code? There isn't a strict dress code. There are casual clothes in most departments. There is freedom in style, but there are still professional standards. Very good. Are there opportunities for growth? Yes, there are many opportunities. There is internal promotion, and there are international projects. There are chances to travel, and there is support for continuing education. I love that part. Tell me something. Is there competition between employees? There is some healthy competition, but there isn't toxic rivalry. There are performance evaluations, and there is recognition for good work. That's good. Are there any problems in the company? Well, there are always challenges. There is pressure sometimes, and there are deadlines, but there isn't chaos. There is a structure and organization. It sounds good. Is there security in the building? Yes, there is high security. There are cameras in the hallways, and there are ID cards for access. There isn't any risk for employees. I like that. Are there international workers? Yes, there are people from different countries. There is diversity in culture, and there are different languages in the office. There isn't discrimination. This company sounds perfect. What is the name of this amazing place? The name of the company? Oh, it is Global Tech Solutions. Wait, Global Tech Solutions. Are you serious? Yes, there is no doubt. That's the company. Why? Daniel, there is something interesting about that. There is only one Global Tech Solutions in the city, and there is something you don't know. What do you mean? Is there a problem? I don't understand. There is a reason why I am smiling right now. There is something you forgot to ask me. What is there to ask? I don't get it. Tell me. There is a simple question. Is there a chance that I also work there? What? There is no way. Are you saying there is a connection? Yes, there is. There is my office on the fifth floor of Global Tech Solutions. There are about 300 employees in the building, and there is no gym inside. There isn't free coffee all day either. That's not true. Oh, well, maybe there is another branch. Yeah, there isn't another branch in this city. There is only one building. There are no yoga rooms. There isn't a conference hall on the top level. No, I uh, I think there is some confusion. There isn't confusion. There is something else. There is nervousness in your face. Daniel, come on, tell me the truth. Is there really a job? No, there isn't. There isn't a job at the Global Tech. There isn't any contract. There isn't a team waiting for me. I was lying. But why would you do that? There is no need to lie to me. There is pressure in my life right now. There are bills at home. I felt ashamed. There is frustration inside me because I am still unemployed. There's no shame in being unemployed. There are difficult moments in everyone's life. There is disappointment when I look at my family. I don't feel confidence like before. Listen to me. There are open positions in my department right now. There is a hiring process starting next week. There are interviews scheduled, and there is a space for new employees. I can recommend you if you want it. There are no words to describe how grateful I feel. Thank you, man. And there is no reason to invent stories. There are better solutions than lies. You're right. There isn't any benefit in pretending. There is more strength in telling the truth. Now I know that. Exactly. Now there is a plan. There are real possibilities. and there is a future waiting for you.